Hello friends, Christian Carter from Radius Financial Group, and today I am answering another question about the VA loan, and that question is, can I buy a multifamily home with the VA loan? And the answer is yes. However, there are a couple stipulations. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so stipulation number one, and this one should be obvious. However, the multifamily that you plan to purchase with the VA loan, it needs to be your primary residence, right? Meaning you need to live in the property. Now, also, when we're talking about a multifamily home, it can be anywhere from a 1 to 4 unit, right? So if this property that you're looking at has more than 4 units, more than 4 apartments or living spaces in there, then you can't finance it with the VA loan. But if it has 4 or less, then you are good to go. All right, now lastly and most importantly, this is the biggest stipulation that we run into when we try and help veterans buy multifamily homes. Now, when you buy a multifamily home with a conventional mortgage, basically what we do is we use the rent that you're going to get from that multifamily home and we add it to your qualifying income to help you qualify for that home, right? Now, we can't do that with the VA loan, which means you can still buy a multifamily home, but just know that we're not going to be able to use the rent from the other units or other apartments within that building to help you qualify. Now, if that got a little confusing, don't worry. We're going to go to the whiteboard right now, and I'm going to explain everything. All right, now you guys know I love examples, so of course we're going to go over a quick example here on the whiteboard. We are going to buy the same property using a conventional loan and then using a VA loan. And we're going to compare the qualifying monthly income from both those scenarios, all right? So, conventional loan, in both of these examples, we're going to be buying a 3-unit or a triplex property, and our monthly income is going to be $5,000 per month, right? So that means the buyer who is buying this property makes roughly $5,000 per month. So, let's go through. Again, we're buying a triplex. So, unit 1, the first unit, that is going to be the unit where the buyer is going to live in or occupy, right? Unit 2, the buyer is going to rent out for $1,000 per month. And unit 3, the new buyer is going to rent out for $1,000 per month as well. So what we do is we take this 1,000 and 1,000, right? We add it up and we get $2,000, and we add that rental income into the buyer's monthly income, and we get a qualifying monthly income of $7,000. So the buyer makes $5,000 per year. They're going to rent out 2 apartments for $1,000 a piece. So we in the mortgage business, when we underwrite this loan, we're going to use an income of $7,000, right? So that really helps out when you're buying a multifamily with a conventional loan. Now let's check out a veteran buying a multifamily with the VA loan, right? Still possible, but you'll see the difference. Again, veteran's going to be buying a 3-unit or a triplex property. The veteran has a monthly income of $5,000. Same thing, unit 1, they're going to live in that unit or occupy that unit. Unit 2, they're going to rent out for $1,000 a month. And then unit 3, they're also going to rent out for $1,000 a month. Now in this scenario, the veteran is still receiving $2,000 per month in rent to help them out with the mortgage. However, when it comes to the VA loan, we're still using the veteran's $5,000 for qualifying monthly income because we can't use the rental income to help them qualify for the VA loan. So a veteran can still buy a multifamily property using the VA loan. We just can't include the income to help him or her qualify for that VA mortgage. I hope that makes sense. All right, that's all she wrote. I hope you like this video. We do tend to get a ton of questions about the VA loan. So if you have any more questions about the VA loan or mortgages in particular, please feel free to leave that question in the comments below. If you did like this video, I'd love it if you could hit the thumbs up button. And then lastly, if you do tend to like a majority of my videos, it really helps me out if you can subscribe to the channel. Other than that, keep the questions coming. I will keep the videos coming, and I will see you later. Adios.